Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Microwave Reviews. Number 5. Samsung MS1 1K30008S. Oil from surfaces and protect against scratches. Effortlessly remove grease. Automatically adjusts cooking time. Easy to use dial control allows you to adding convenience and precision. Striking blue LED display adds clarity. Number 4. Panasonic NN SN936B. Enjoy fast cooking times. 1250 watts high power. Automatic sensor adjusts power. Times for different foods. Make food preparation simpler. Item weight 37 pounds. Number 3. Faber Ware FMW013 HTBKE. – 1000 watts of cooking power. Add 30 seconds control. Multi-stage cooking for custom cooked meals. 6 OmniTouch cooking functions for popcorn. Calls up cooking settings instantly. Removable rotating glass turntable. Number 2. Panasonic NE1054F. Heavy-duty commercial-grade microwave. 1000 watt of output power. Grab-and-go handles for fast. Time 6-minute dial. See-through oven door. Item weight 39.8 pounds. Number 1. Panasonic NN SN651BA-Z. Enjoy fast cooking times. 1200 watts high power. The Panasonic microwave oven warms. Automatic sensor adjusts power. Times for different foods. Cooking instructions displayed in English.
All the products products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!